Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a beauty box by Nuxe, and this is their March box, and it's a Mother's Day special box. So it's a little tiny box, but it is jam-packed full of beauty products. So inside contains 12 items and it has a value of over £70, and the box costs £18. If you've never shopped online at Nuxe before, they have an amazing first order offer where you get £10 off your first purchase. So if you do have your eye set on this box, you're able to get it for £8. If you live near a Nuxe, it's great because you can have it delivered to store for free, or they do offer home delivery at an additional cost. All links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below in description, so underneath this video see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. This came out on Monday. I picked it up last night and I'm doing a video right now because they tend to sell out super fast. So going back over the last couple of months, I have seen a pattern emerging where they tend to sell out within the first couple of days, but then if you wait a little while, like a week or something, it comes back in stock. If you're watching this video and you think, right, I want this box, and you go online and it says currently unavailable or out of stock, then check in a couple of days time because it might come back, as it has done with previous boxes. Nuxe have been doing monthly beauty boxes since around October, November time last year, and I think it's brilliant. No subscription and you get to see exactly the contents of the box, so if it's for you, you can buy it, but if not, well, you don't have to. So I think that's it as far as information goes, so let's get on to open it up and showing you what you get inside. I've already had a sneak peek. I couldn't resist. I picked it up last night and I was like, oh, I can't wait until tomorrow. Even though I sort of know what's in it, but it's still different, isn't it, when you actually open it yourself and see the contents. Well, so it is jam-packed. So the first item I picked up is a Fleurs de Cerisier Cherry Blossom. It's a bath and shower gel by L'Occitane, and we got 35ml there. Gorgeous bottle, really lovely. So it's cherry blossom. Oh, I love the smell. Love the smell of cherries. I've got to be careful because normally when I do this it squirts up and touches my nose. I just want to sniff. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's really, really lovely. Yeah, nice and fresh. Yeah, so we got a bath and shower gel. Next we got a mascara by Benefit, and this is the Badgal Bang, and this is a little mini, so this is a 3-gram one. I tried this mascara and it is amazing. It is super black, really black. It is really good, but I hardly wear it because I can't take it off. Well, I can, but it's a lot of hard work. It's waterproof. It takes forever to come off, and yeah, I'm forever like trying to like melt it off my face. So I don't really wear it that often, but if I was doing something where I wanted a really long lasting mascara, or if it was in like the summer and I'm all sweaty and I don't want any transfer or anything, this is definitely a mascara I would use. Definitely. I would just put up with getting off later on. But yeah, so there's that. Next we got a Vita Liberata, it's Body Blur, or Beauty Blur I should say, and this is Skin Tone Optimizer, and got Latte, 10ml there. So I've tried it on my legs when I've had like bruises and things like that, just to like disguise them, but I even use it on my face, and this colour looks as if I could actually. Some of them are quite dark, so blend it in. Ooh, there is a bit of a skin tone difference there. Yeah, it does blend in really nicely. I'd still use it on my face. I would still use it, but possibly when I've got a bit of a fake tan going on. Can you imagine? Face a gorgeous bronze colour, and then my neck down. Whoosh! But let's try blend it in. But yeah, it's supposed to disguise imperfections, and it just feels gorgeous. It feels really lovely. I got a bit of a orange hand. There you go. You can see the difference. Yeah, don't look at the size. I love that. Next we got a Nuxe product, and this is Multi-Correction Gel Cream, normal to combination skins, and 15ml. Apply in the morning to the face, neck and décolleté. Is that how you say it? Décolleté, décolletage, I don't know. It's a word I don't use that often, but obviously me doing these videos I do come across it quite often, so I should learn how to say it properly, shouldn't I? But it says décolleté. That might be right. So it's a multi-correction gel cream. I haven't tried that before, and maybe it's a new product from this range, but yeah, it'd be interesting to see what it does. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Pixi, and this is the Glow Tonic, and it's 5% glycolic acid for exfoliating toner. We got 100 mils here. Now I've tried this before as well. I've had it in a few different subscription boxes over the last year or two, and it is an amazing toner. Really, really lovely toner. So I love all these toners, all the toners that Pixi do. I love their retinol one as well. Yeah, just a really, really good toner. So there's that. Got an Elemis product, and this is Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I love cleansing. Ah, maybe that is why we've got the Badgal Bang in with it. So you can get it off with this, because this is amazing. Not so keen on rose smelling things, but for cleansers and stuff that I'm washing away, it's not a lingering sort of smell on your body. I don't mind using it, but their balms are amazing. Really, really, really good. It's a nice size as well. You can buy this for about £10. So yeah, considering this box is 18, I think we got quite a bargain there with this box this month. So there's a cleansing balm there by Elemis. We got a Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, and it's a limited edition. Why does it say limited edition? I don't know. I've had loads of them. I've had absolutely loads of them. And it's a really nice oil. It's a sort of oil, it's very lightweight. I mixed it in with like moisturisers and foundations. And yeah, it's just really, really nice. The rose scent is not strong. I quite like this smell. And oh, it must be limited edition because of the pattern on the bottle. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm not sure if you could see, but it's, can you see there? It's got little patterns on there, like little flowers. That is really lovely. That is really nice. So yeah, it's just a really nice facial oil. It's vegan friendly, and it says apply 2 to 3 drops to cleanse skin. It contains high levels of vitamins A and C, which aim to rejuvenate the skin, even skin tone, and reduce visible signs of aging. So you've got a face oil. Next we've got a Rituals product, which I'm happy about. It's the Ritual of Sakura. This is organic rice milk and cherry blossom, and it's a foaming shower gel. And well, it's a sensational foaming shower gel, and we've got 50 mils here. Oh, I love these. Absolutely love them. They're my favourite shower gels. I just love them. You only need to squirt a tiny, tiny amount and you get a massive ball of foam. And it's lovely. It lasts on your skin. It makes your skin soft. Oh, I just love them. I just love them. So we got one of these. Next we've got a product by Balance Me, and this is a Wonder Eye Cream. 99% natural, and we got 7 mils here. Gently tap and smooth over triple action eye cream around the eyes to address dark shadows, firm skin and reduce puffiness. I have tried it a few times, but I can't remember. I can't remember what it was like, sorry, but yeah, so we got an eye cream in the box. Next we got Baume de Rose by Terry. It's a lip balm. I've had this before in this exact size, and it is super teeny tiny. It is so cute, really cute. Look. Can you see there? See how small that is? It's so dinky. And look, I can just get my finger in there. Once it goes a little bit lower, I won't be able to because of my nails. It does have a proper rosy smell, unfortunately. For me anyway, because I don't like it, but it's alright, it's alright. It's not too strong. It's a handbag friendly sort of size, and it's by Terry. Next we've got a product by Dr. Andrew Whale for Origins, and this is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resistance Smoothing Treatment Lotion, and we got 30 mils here, and I'm sure we had this in last month's box as well. I'm sure we did. I know I had it last month in some box. My cousin absolutely loves it, so I gave her the one I had last month, so I'm going to save that and give that to her as well. So yeah, so we got that. Going down, what have we got here? One left, is it? Yeah. And it's a face mask. So this is a bubble sheet mask, and it's by OOK. It's a Korean sheet mask, and it's exfoliate and cleanse. And I think I've tried this one before. I've definitely had it before. I recognise it. But I love bubble masks. They're just so fun. They are just so much fun. Is there anything I can tell you about it? No, not really. Just on how to apply, as in like massage it first. And then you peel it off, put it on your face, and you leave it on 10 minutes. Don't leave longer than 15 minutes. And then you remove it and wash your face well. So yeah, so those are all the products. So I'll just go through them all one by one, showing you quickly what is inside this box. So we've got a bubble mask. We got a Pixi Glow Tonic. We got a Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. We got a Rituals Foaming Shower Gel. We got a L'Octane Bath and Shower Gel. We got an Origins Mega Mushroom Relief. We got a by Terry Baume de Rose lip balm. Got an Elemis Pro-Collagen cleansing balm. Got a Vita Liberata Beauty Blur. Got a Nuxe multi-correction gel cream. Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. And lastly, we got a Benefit Badgal Bang mini sort of travel size mascara. So those are all my items. They're all scattered around the floor now. But I think it's a really, really lovely box this month. It's £18, so it's a little bit more pricier than some of the other subscription boxes I get. But I do think it's got 12 items that has a value of over 70, and it's all products that I am familiar with. There's one or two obviously I'm not, but it's all items I've either tried or I've seen before, and yeah, some of the items there are really great, like the Pixi Glow Tonic is brilliant. The Badgal Bang, I don't like taking it off, but I know it's amazing mascara. The Elemis cleanser, oh, I love it. I absolutely love the balm, so I absolutely love the cleansing balm. There's a lot of things in there, a lot of things, and the rituals as well. Oh, I just love it. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think it's good value for money, or did you take up the offer of ordering it online for your first time and getting £10 off? Or let me know your thoughts on that, or if you've already done it and you're looking forward to receiving your box. So yeah, all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.